To replace the inner door handle bezel, this right here, I'm going to start with a pick. You can also use a tiny screwdriver. Open up that door and remove this Phillips head screw. Next, with a flat blade screwdriver, put it up over the lock indicator, pry up on the bezel. That'll pop out the top, and then put it underneath the door handle and pry down on the bezel. That'll pop it down from the bottom, and then slide it forward. And there's the old one. To install the new one, slide it over the door handle, position it into place, and snap it in. Now with your pick, open up this little door and insert your Phillips head screw and snug it up. Once that's snug, close up the little door and you're all set.